Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. So, today we are going to learn a last topic in English and then we complete our English portion. And Hindi portion we have already completed. So, today we are going to learn introduction of in, under, on, near. We are going to write the sentences and you are going to see that you are going to follow and write in your notebook in E2 notebook. So let's start. Now the first you are going to write is the cursive T H E. The you are going to write it continuous. Okay, you're not going to break the words and write. Okay, the fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Fish is an water animal. Okay. Fish is I-S-S. Now you are going to underline here and fish is dash the tank. T-A-N-K, tank. And now we are going to draw a tank and we are going to draw a fish. Okay, this way. So tell me, the fish is in the tank. Now fish अंदर है टैंक के. So we will say in the tank. It is not outside. वो बाहर नहीं है, वो यहाँ नीचे नहीं है, ऊपर नहीं है. वो टैंक के अंदर है. तो we will write the fish is in. I-N, in. And you are going to underline the answer. In, first question. In the tank. And you are going to put full stop. And you are going to draw the picture this way. Okay. Next we are going to write second question. Now the milk, the T-H-E, the milk, M-I-L-K, milk, I-S is dash the bottle, the bottle, full stop. And we'll draw a picture of the bottle. So, can you see? Bottle. So tell me, where is milk? In the bottle, outside the bottle, near, under the bottle, where? Inside the bottle, right? So you will write the milk is in, in the bottle. Next, we are going to write is third question. What is the third question? The cap, C-A-P, cap, I-S is dash the table. Okay, so tell me, we are going to draw a table's picture. Okay, and we are going to draw cap over here. Now tell me, what do you think the answer is? Table के नीचे cap है. The cap is under the table. Oh, I told the answer. The cap is under the table. टेबल के नीचे हमने रखा है कैप को. So here you are going to write under, U-N-D-E-R, under. Okay, next you are going to write the fourth question. And what are you going to write? You are going to write the cup. The cup, C-U-P, cup, is dash the table. Full stop. Now here we are going to draw a picture of table this way. Okay, and here we are going to draw a cup's picture. So can you see the difference over here? Here the cap was kept under the table. यहाँ पे इस पिक्चर में कैप को टेबल के नीचे रखा है और इस पिक्चर में कप को टेबल के ऊपर रखा है. पहले कैप था और अभी कप है. So the cup is kept on the table. So we will write the cup. The cup is O-N, on the table. Table के ऊपर हमने कप रखा है. Okay. And the next question we are going to write is the bat. The bat, B-A-T, bat, is dash the ball. Okay, and full stop. What you are going to do is you are going to draw a bat. Okay, and a ball. So where is bat? बॉल के बाजू में. करेक्ट. बैट के बाजू में हमने रखा है बॉल को. So what will be the answer? The bat is near, N-E-A-R, near the ball. बॉल को हमने बाजू नजदीक रखा है बैट के. करेक्ट. So the bat is near the ball. So today we learned introduction of in, on, near and under sentences. So this topic is going to be there for your exams. Please study. Please start studying. We are going to start with our revision soon. We are going to take your test also. So be ready with all the oral topics. Okay? Bye.